Korema. The winds have breathed it to the waiting pines, the pines have whispered it to dale and moor, the sea has sung it to the listening shore. No tiny twig, no rootlet but divines the coming of the spring. In air, in earth, what wonders now are wrought! Had we the ear, what rapturous rehearsal might we hear of nature's symphony of growth and birth! But soon the joy, no more to be suppressed, will burst in bloom, a floral melody, set to the music of the April rain. And thou, Korema, springtime's welcome guest, first note of colour in the harmony, wilt fleck with crimson all the cold grey plain. March.